In this video, we are going to continue with the product rule. You will find this on page 472 in the Namibian AS-Level Mathematics textbook y equals mx plus c to success. Find the derivative of this. Now, in this time, the function is having a bracket as well as a root. Okay, exactly the same. You rewrite the first bracket, you differentiate the second. You rewrite the second and you differentiate the first. Okay, now before we work with that rule, just take it to the exponent form, so it's a half. Then we still follow the chain rule. So it's a half, 5x plus 4, a half minus 1, it's going to be negative a half, multiply with differentiate the inside, 5. And then differentiate this one, and then you can just simplify. Now this is going to be 5 over 2, and this I'm bringing this down because it's negative. And then this one, if a negative times a positive will be negative, and this is 2x, and take it to the root. But now, just to make it one term, I make the denominators the same by working with the lowest common multiple, and this will be my lowest common multiple. So I multiply, put it over 1, multiply top, bottom with the lowest common multiple. And then after I did that, I just multiply, get 4x. Now this bracket is exactly the same. So actually it's like you say 5x plus 4, remember it's a half, multiply 5x plus 4, I'm taking it just to the exponent, and then a half plus half is 1, and that's why it's just to the power of 1. Okay, and now I can multiply it in, and I can just simplify my like terms, and that's what I did there. Just simplify this too. Do you see there's the like terms, and negative 25, and that's my simplified answer. Okay, I want you to stop the video and I want you to do number A. You can continue the video as soon as you are finished. Let's first write down the function. Y equals x minus 1 square root x plus 5. Okay, now we're going to follow the product rule. So first we're going to say dy by dx. We rewrite the first one, close this. Rewrite the first one, then we differentiate this one. But don't forget that this one, I'm just going to put it in exponent. It's x minus 1 and x plus 5 to the power of half. Okay. So basically, if I differentiate this one I differentiate, I use the chain rule. So first the outside. If I subtract 1 minus 2 over 2, it's negative a half. Multiply, I differentiate the inside, so it's just 1. Plus, I rewrite this one. And I multiply and I differentiate this one. And in this case, it's just going to be 1. So if I simplify this, I'm going to get x minus 1. That's my bracket. I'm going to get 2. If I take it back, it's going to be x plus 5. So plus x plus 5. Just want to put it in the root. X plus 5 over 1. So what will be my LCM? My LCM in this case, it's going to be this 2x. So I multiply 2x plus 5 in the root. So if I'm going to write this, I'm going to get x minus 1 plus 2. And remember, if you multiply this with exactly the same, it's a half plus a half, so it will just be x plus 5 over 2 x plus 5. So this is going to be x minus 1 plus 2x plus 10 over 2x plus 5. And x plus 2x is going to be 3x. 10 minus 1 is going to be plus 9. And it's going to be over 2x plus 5. And that's going to be my final answer.